Hello, this is our video on how to replace an internal door handle. In this video, we will show you the step-by-step process on how to replace a door handle and make the necessary adjustments. So let's get started. The first step is to remove the broken door handle and other furniture. You can do this by unscrewing the screws that hold each component in place. Once the screws are removed, you can pull all components off the door. Next, take your door handle and latch and align with the holes in the door. Adjust holes to necessary size. Make sure the spindle fits the new latch mechanism. Align holes and pre-drill. Then insert new screws and tighten with screwdriver. Make adjustments on the catch side using a chisel. Once all components are correctly fitted, test the door to make sure it opens and closes smoothly. If the door is difficult to close, you may need to readjust the position of your screws. Loosen the screws that hold the catch in place until the door closes smoothly. Then make your adjustments to your latch and catch system. Once you have adjusted the position, tighten the screws. Now that your new door handle and latch are installed and adjusted, test it again to make sure it's working properly. And that's it. You successfully replaced your door handle. Like and subscribe for more. Thank you.